Welcome to Madrid, South Summit, where I am with Maria Józefowicz from MedVC. My name is Maciej Nowak, and I'll be talking to Maria about her experience with Merlin project. Maria, MedVC, you guys are a company based in Poznań, Poland, right?
Exactly, yes.
Can you tell us a little bit more?
Yeah, we are a group of 5 guys and 1 girl, which is me, trying to help them. And we wanted to invent some tool to facilitate the contact between the medical. And that's why we established a MedVC, which is an audio-video set for remote collaboration for doctors and patients.
Wow, what an exciting industry.
It's exciting, but it's also very difficult. That's why we went to Merlin. Yeah, we needed help because we would like to get the hospitals in whole Europe and in the world also, of course.
And can you tell me, please, what is your involvement in Merlin? How did you get involved? What are you getting out of it?
We were trying to find out some programs, some ideas about networking, about meeting people, and having ideas about the problems and about business models, of course. And this is everything what Merlin gave us. Yeah, from the beginning. Like how to make a startup, how to think about it, what to do, what to not to do, how to pivoting, how to make another things. And then we wanted really networking, because this is the future of everything. So we are really, Merlin is the best idea and the best thing for meeting people and having good idea for the future.
As well.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully, yeah. Well, that's what I'm like. All of my wishes. That's what I wish for you. Good luck with MedVC, and thank you for the talk.
Thank you.
Thank you.